Hi, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and I am at my local Michael's. And guess what? Michael's came out with a Christmas series, the Diamond Painting Kids Christmas series. They have smaller kits, 20 by 25 centimeters, so 8 by 10 inches with magnetic frames, really very well rendered. Look at the detailization, and these are completed designs on the preview. Beautiful. They have bigger kits, 40 by 50 centimeters, $15 each. Too bad they're not on sale. Usually when they come out they are on sale, but not today, unfortunately. There is an event online, 30% off, but it's online only, and unfortunately I don't know why these kits are not available. So I really want to purchase as many as possible, but most likely I will have to wait because otherwise it will be way too expensive. And they also have 3D kits, the Christmas tree, the gift, the house. Actually, they also light on ornament. The house is gorgeous. So I'm gonna take a few kits and we will unbox them soon. Okay, that's what I purchased at Michael's. Not that many, and the reason is that there is a 30% off coupon, but it is applicable only online. But unfortunately, there are not all the kits available online. I don't know why. Smaller kits are available online, 3D kits are available online. As to 40 by 50 centimeter kits, only one kit with a Santa is in stock online. So there is a problem. I have a 30% off coupon, like everybody has it. It's an event going on, 30% off, but again, it is applicable only online. On the other hand, not all the kits are available online, hence they're available in a physical store, but 30% off coupon is not applicable in physical store. So unfortunately, I cannot purchase kits with a discounted price, and I'm not ready to spend $15 per each kit. It would just be way too expensive for me. So I will wait when all the kits are available online, then I will be able to purchase them with a 30% off. If not, then hopefully on Sunday there's gonna be a coupon on the app that could be applicable at the store with also like 30 or 40% off. So what I purchased this gorgeous 3D diamond painting kit. It's a house and it lights up. I saw it completed and it's beautiful. I purchased this very kit. It's called Snow Cabin. What I like about these kits now they mention the shape of the drills over here. You see, that's great. They have square drills as well, round ones, and I also purchased the small one with a magnetic. Oh my god, guys, look, there is a stylus. A new stylus as a gift included in this kit. That's great. It's Christmas related, so I'm so excited to open it. So $15 each, but again, now 30% off if you purchase it online. But again, not all the kits are available online. So are you ready? Let's start with, I guess, this one. Okay, so we are starting with the smaller kits, Wreath. That's how it looks. It's not entirely color related, but I think that it turns out to be fantastic. It's really very detailed. That's why I like Make Market. They make final results look detailed, even on smaller kits. Look, I can even see the bells on the wreath, and it's a very small kit, as you can see. And of course it comes with a magnetic frame, just like the cat and the moon. If you follow my channel, you saw that Halloween kit. It also comes with this gorgeous stylus. These are Christmas related colors, red, gold tips, you see golden tips, and sparkles. Of course, sparkles are not as vibrant as on the Halloween stylus because Halloween stylus was darker and sparkles are more visible on the darker background, but this one is also very cute. In real life it looks way much better. It looks like a jello, like a red jello. I think my camera is not focusing well enough. As to the drills are all resin or acrylic. Again, I don't know which ones they're using, most likely acrylic, somebody told me, but of a very good quality. So there are no AB colors, there are no crystals, but all of them are really very bright, Christmas related green, yellow, red. Beautiful colors. Very festive. Here they are. And this tiny kit actually contains 24 colors. Not that bad for such a baby, right? Here it is. But you saw there is a design of a door, but in 40 by 50 centimeters. So once it is on sale, I would definitely purchase it because there is a lot of room for customization. As to this one, I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will use metallic, golden metallic drills on the bells, you know. The next kit that I wanted to show you is a snow cabin. I fell in love with it right away. You know, I am crazy about the houses. The majority of my completed kits are landscape and cottages. So even the original price didn't prevent me from purchasing it. So, as you know, Make Market comes on a fabric-based canvas. Again, the symbols are very well printed, alphabetic ones. There are some non-alphabetic symbols, but they are pretty well recognizable. This kit comes with 35 colors, and it also has a lot of room for customization. And most likely, I will replace drills with white drills with ABs and the yellow drills, yellow colors with the crystals. I think it would turn out to be gorgeous. And now let's look at the drills. You know, to my surprise, this kit is actually pretty colorful. I thought it would have more grayish colors, and don't take me wrong, this kit has a lot of gray undertones and shades, a lot of blue ones, but at the same time it also has pretty bright colors in it. More than that, it does have one AB color, so I don't have to worry about customizing it with white ABs from Diamond Dust because I don't really have that many in my stash. But unfortunately, it doesn't come with the crystals. But that's fine. I will replace yellow colors with the crystals, and this is the white AB I was talking about. And I'm pretty sure that it will turn out gorgeous because, again, what I like about Make Market, you can see the completed kit on the preview of the box, and as you can see, it looks gorgeous, very detailed. And you can even see white drills white ABs over here. Okay, so this is the second kit. And the last but not the least, this gorgeous house. Of course, I'm crazy about houses. I should have bought it. But another reason why I purchased it is, do you see that? Crystals. It is diamond painted with crystals. Make Market has never come out with crystalline kits before. So I want to try their rhinestones. So, as to this kit, it comes with a standard set of stools. It does have with the instructions. I guess I would need it. Now, it comes with a poured glue, with a brush to apply the poured glue on the house. Of course, it's going to be for me, it's going to be very complicated to not only apply the glue but also to place the drills on it accurately because there is no rendering on the house, and I'm not the most accurate person. That's how the house looks like. I don't know what it is made of. Looks like rubber, but it's not rubber. Beautiful house. It lights up. Unfortunately, Make Market was too cheap to put the batteries, so unfortunately this house does not include the batteries. I have to get it from somewhere. I don't even think I have it at home, and it does come with crystals. Now let's look at the crystals more closely. From what I see, they're like regular crystal drills, not very different from AliExpress kits, but I don't know. Once I start working with it, I will tell you for sure. These are white ABs, so the roof is going to be diamond painted with white ABs. There are also white pearl drills, special drills. Here they are, and more crystal kits. So too bad they don't have the instructions on how to do the house, so I guess I will have to leave this very box to see where the drills are going to, because at this point I wouldn't know unless I see the original completed diamond painting on here. Okay, because I mean I guess I can figure it out. Yeah, so but it's a very beautiful kit. I really like it. So these are all my kits for now. As soon as Michaels uploads make market kits online, if they do it before Sunday, I will go ahead and place the order on online with 30% off. If they don't do it before Sunday, I hope that I will get an in-store coupon to get these kits with some percentage off, because if I buy them for $15 each and I like all of them, I will purchase almost all of them. It will be way too expensive, so I need to wait for the sale, and as soon as I get them for 30% off or for the sale price, for any sale price, I will do the unboxing video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon.